So Nick, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself here?
Yeah, my name is Niek Boevink. I work since 2 years for Citrix as a sales engineer for the Netherlands, and working mostly with the big ERM, so enterprise commercial customers.
Okay, so you've got experience of our products at the sharp end.
Yes. And before I went to Citrix, I worked 18 years with a system integrator, and they were one of the platinum partners from Citrix. So I already started working with Citrix, I think, in MetaFrame or even before that. So WinFrame, I've touched WinFrame a couple of times. So I've really a long history with using Citrix products.
Very cool. And so what's the name of the session you'll be presenting at Converge?
My title is How Citrix Workspace Solutions Simplify the Adoption Process.
Okay.
Very smooth. Can you give us a little background about it?
Yeah, one of our customers is an adoption agency, and I got in contact with them, and I worked closely with them together. So I had contact with them in the Netherlands, their department, and in the US, and I also had contact with some of the waiting parents. So I got detailed insights about the complete track and what happens in that process. So that's what I did. Look into that process and looked how our products can make that a more fluent process for the people in the adoption agency, so the caseworkers, but also on the other end for the waiting parents.
Oh, wow. So really making a positive difference in people's lives.
Yes, that was something that I was hoping for. And yes, you can imagine that this is a process that is a long process, takes a long time to adopt a child. And there's a lot of documents going back and forward, and there are lots of things to keep in mind, like GDPR and et cetera. So medical informations go back and forward. So yeah, there's a lot in that process, and that makes it really nice to talk about and show where we can have our full stack of products in place and what we can be beneficial. And yes, it's a great thing to see how it can help not only the employees but also the customers.
So it's a kind of a different kind of technology adoption story.
Yes, it's double adoption. Yes, that's correct.
Okay, well, if you want to see Niek's session, then all you need to do is to register for Citrix Converge 2020, and you can use the link in the description under this video. All right, thanks for watching.
Thank you.